Welcome to the IVAS SMS dashboard. From here, you can manage your system and access all available features. From the left menu, click on Client System, then select My Numbers. This section displays all numbers assigned to your account. Here, you can see detailed information about your numbers, including range name, rates, and limits. This gives you full control over your active resources. To return numbers, simply select one or multiple numbers using the checkboxes. You can choose specific numbers or select multiple entries at once. After selecting the numbers, click on the Return option. You can return individual numbers or use bulk return to process multiple numbers quickly. A confirmation message will appear asking, "Are you sure?" Click Yes, Return to proceed with returning the selected numbers to the system. Once completed, a success message will appear confirming that the numbers have been returned successfully. Your list will be updated automatically.